will the people rely on what gonna happen on the impeachment proceedings? Will people believe on what she is saying still by 2028 election? Yun lang naman na akin. Ako, sa totoo lang, I don't really care much about what's gonna happen after the impeachment. What I care about is ano magiging political spectrum ng mga Duterte on the public space pagkatas ng impeachment. Kasi ako naniniwala ko there is a certainty na baka siya ma-impeach siya or mawala siya sa pwesto. But what I'm worried about is what would be the perception ng tao? Ano yung magiging perception ng mga DDS, anti-DDS, loyalista, pro-government, every different political spectrum. Kasi yun ang gusto ko makita dahil the end of the day, we all have our opinion, di ba? Pero is the Filipino people ready for this situation na mawala ang Vice President? And maari kasi nakikita ko diyan 'pag nawala sa scene ang Vice President, in short, guilty siya or under the Constitution, 'di na siya makakatakbo for any government election. My thinking is, ano yung magiging epekto nito? Una, ano yung magiging epekto nito to the Duterte legacy, political maneuvering ng kanilang pamilya? Maaari bang may ibang 'di ba, parang substitution? And also, um kung gano'n ang mangyari, ma-impeach siya, may opportunity pa ba ang kung sino man ang lalaban sa kung sino man ang magiging pambato ng mga Duterte, for them to get yung tinatawag natin na ah, political capital against the Duterte? Kasi 'di ba meron din lumutang last year, bago matapos yung taon last year, may mga lumutang na issue na parang ang kinakatakot ng ibang mga political analyst is paano kung for some reason, because of old age, sabihin na natin, si dating Pangulong Presidente Duterte, sabihin na nating namatay. Ito ba ay magiging may malaki epekto sa mga Duterte politically? Kasi 'di ba ang Filipino, we're known to be emotional. We're known to be parang kung sino yung nagiging victim or sinong na peperwisyo minsan pumapanig, on our emotions. And alam natin 'yan, like what happened to Pinoy, 'di ba, nung namatay yung kanyang nanay, there is an outpouring of emotions, eh. And this is what I'm thinking about, maybe political playbook na mangyayari after this impeachment.
Ako po si Banat Boy at ito ang Philcast kung saan ang katotohanan walang takot na sinasabi. Like, share at subscribe na.